Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will cook Dum Pukhat in a very simple and easy style. So let's start now. Ingredients: we need fat, meat, onions, tomato. I have ginger garlic paste. You can use the plain ginger garlic also. That's up to you. So what we do first, we make a layer of the fat inside the pan. Put the meat over it. How much small you use the pan, it's good for cooking. If you use big pan, it's not advisable, so use the smallest pan as per your quantity of the meat. We add little salt, about 1.5 teaspoon, or as per your taste, black pepper, and we add about half cup of water inside. Cover it, seal it properly with I'm sealing with the flour, and we will cook it on very low heat for at least 2 hours. Heat should be the minimum heat which you can use for your stove. So let it cook for at least 2 hours, then we will check it out after 2 hours. So now you can see it's almost 2 hours now, and you can see everything is melted and it's ready. It's the simplest way to cook the dum pukhat. Now we can take it out in the other pan, and you can see our delicious food is ready to enjoy. So enjoy the food and remember us in your prayers.